guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Today we're doing a video on how to adjust the headlights on your truck, whether you have aftermarket headlights or you have stock headlights. So I'm going to jump right into that video, but before we do that, if you guys are new, subscribe. My name is Professor Mike. I post new videos every Wednesday and Sunday on anything truck related or car related, on automotive stuff. And if you guys are wondering what I've done to the truck so far, there's a link in the description for everything so far on Amazon. You can go ahead and check that out and you can see all the mods I've done to the truck. But what we're going to talk about today is the headlights. So whether you have, like I said, aftermarket headlights or stock headlights, you may need to adjust them. Especially, let's say you get your truck lifted, now your truck is sitting higher than it was from the factory. So now the headlights are actually pointed a lot higher than they were, like a 6-inch lift. Your headlights would be pointed 6 inch taller in the front, and you could be blinding people. The headlights could be going into the trees when you turn it on, or into the signs, like the traffic signs and the stop signs, stuff like that. So, and also when you get new aftermarket headlights, the bulbs could be adjusted differently, and they could be, you know, not even on both sides. So what I'm gonna talk to you guys today is how to adjust them and how you can actually raise them up and down with just a small little tool, and we're gonna be using the screwdriver. So basically, when you go over to your headlight on the stock housing and the regular, or I guess the stock housing and the aftermarket housing, you will see here when you go over to the headlight, this little piece right here, and that actually is for adjusting the headlights. Now on the stock housing, it's going to look a little different. It's going to be an actual socket like this big, and this looks like see, this one's kind of sideways, but on the stock housing it will be like sticking up, and I'll show you what a picture of what that actually looks like. So this is actually the part where you adjust your headlights, so you actually don't have to go under the truck like you do with the fog lights, and I'll make a video on those. But with the headlights, what you're going to want to do is this side, and then coming on this side, it's going to be right here, and you're going to just use a Phillips head screwdriver, and all you're going to do is go ahead and stick the Phillips head screwdriver in that, and then you're going to want to turn it clockwise, would be going down, like the headlight's going down, or not clockwise, I'm sorry, counterclockwise. You turn it counterclockwise, the bulbs will be pointing down, and then clockwise the bulbs will go up. If your truck, the lights are shining into the trees, into the signs, stuff like that, then you're going to want to go with the counterclockwise so you can point the bulbs down. So counterclockwise here, you turn it to the left, and a full turn would be 1 notch, and I've seen people do about 15 turns after they get their trucks lifted to get the headlights to drop. Like I said, 15 turns will equal about 5 inches down. So if your truck bulbs are pointing 5 inches higher than what they should be, you'll have to turn this counterclockwise 15 times to be able to get it back to the level of where it was before. But like you said, these are aftermarket headlights, so the bulbs could be off right away. To my knowledge, they are actually in a perfect spot for me, but when I do get the truck lifted, I will have to rotate the bulbs so they're not pointing too high and then flashing people, and people think they have your brights on, but really it's just that it's straight in their eyes because your truck is so tall. So in reality, the bulb is supposed to beam at like a angle down to the floor, like out but like down, and the headlight or the fog lights are supposed to be like right here, right on, and out wide. You don't want the headlights shooting straight out. If you go straight out, it's gonna blind people, so you want like a nice cutoff where it's just like here, and then it goes like, and then it kind of dips off in the end. So I wish I had a tool right now to show you how to do it, but it's basically pretty easy. And like I said, counterclockwise would be turning it, and the bulb will be going down, and then clockwise the bulb will be going up. The bulbs are blinding people, and they don't know how to change it and take the whole headlight out. No, you don't have to take it out at all. Just pop the hood. On the stock housing, it's a lot easier because it's literally right here, and it actually pops up and you can see it right away. These are aftermarket headlights, so obviously it's gonna be a little different, but it's the same concept. That's basically it right there, guys. It's super easy, I feel like, and I'll do a video on the fog lights, which is a little bit more interesting because you kind of have to go under the truck and adjusting, and we'll actually be like loosening and tightening the fog lights. There's no really adjuster for the fog lights. It's kind of just like loosening and tightening the fog lights to make them go up or down. So depending on like how you want the cutoff, the best way to do it is actually to take your truck and put it up against a white wall or a garage door or something that's just plain, and go ahead and beam the lights on it, and you can see the cutoff, and then see where you want the cutoff to be. Do you want it to be higher? Do you want it to be lower? And then you can actually see if it's even or not. Because I bet you, I think I know, if I put this up against a wall right now, I think the bulbs are going to be kind of uneven. I think one's going to be a little higher than the other one, maybe by like an inch or so. I think I see that when I'm driving the truck in general. But like I said, take your truck, put it up against a plain white wall, and then just beam the headlights at it. If it's too high, then rotate them to be like a flat level. Like I said, there's nothing worse than you driving and then you blinding somebody and then they're losing control and and then crashing into your vehicle, and it's actually your fault because you're blinding them with your lights when they should be pointed kind of like at a slope area. So just want to do that quick video. Like you said, pop the hood, it's right here on this side, and then it's right here on this side. So there you guys go. That is a quick video on how to adjust the headlights for the F-150. I hope that cleared up some questions for you guys. If you guys found this video helpful, would you leave a like and a comment so that YouTube will share this with other people? And don't forget to subscribe. I post new videos every single week on Mondays and Wednesdays. Sundays and Wednesdays at 8 p.m. Also, if you're wondering on how to make a little extra money and start investing, I do have a couple links in the description for M1 Finance, Robinhood, and Coinbase. With Coinbase, you actually get $10 of free Bitcoin. Robinhood, you get a free stock, and then M1 Finance, you actually get $30 when you sign up and deposit the first $100. So links in the description for those. Those are Amazon affiliate links, so if you do sign up with those, or if you do buy something off Amazon or sign up with the investment accounts, I do get a small kickback, which means I do get a small commission. It actually supports the channel, helps out the channel, and gives me a little bit extra money to do more mods for the truck and do more upgrades and teach you guys more and engage and make more content for you guys. If you have any questions, like I said, leave a comment down below. I try to get back to all my viewers, and comment what kind of videos you guys want to see next. I love these tutorial videos and like hidden secrets on different things like that, because a lot of people just don't know. They just don't know. YouTube's just a great platform just to learn things, because I've learned so much from YouTube, way more than reading the instructions of things. So just YouTube and just learning is awesome. Being able to teach people and show them things that I wish people showed me. So whenever I find something new that I feel like would be useful, I go ahead and post it for you guys to learn and understand. So other than that, we will catch you on the next video. Peace.